Ready to ditch that default Buzzsprout image and hook listeners with killer cover art? Alright, let's dive in. First, log into your Buzzsprout account and navigate to the podcast settings tab on the left-hand side of your screen. Now, scroll down until you find the podcast info section. This is where the magic happens. You'll see your current cover art or the default Buzzsprout logo if you haven't uploaded one yet. See that Choose File or Upload Artwork button. Click on it. This will open up your computer's file explorer. Now, browse through your files and select the cover art you want to use. Remember, Buzzsprout recommends a square image with dimensions of at least 1400 by 1400 pixels, but 3000 by 3000 pixels is ideal for the best quality across all podcast platforms. Once you've selected your image, Buzzsprout will upload it. You should see a preview of your new cover art right there. Take a good look and make sure it looks exactly how you want it to. Last step, don't forget to scroll down and click the Save Podcast Info button to finalize the changes. Boom! Your podcast now has eye-catching cover art that reflects your brand. Consistent, high-quality visuals attract new listeners and make a lasting impression. Now go create some amazing content.